Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure WhatsApp and your phone OS are up to date so settings behave predictably. Once done, decide whether you want to hide message previews or remove the home screen badge entirely. Open the system settings and go into notifications so you can change app-level controls directly. You'll need to find WhatsApp in the app list. Tap it now. Make sure you're ready to toggle preview and badge options in the next step. You'll now adjust the actual content shown on the home screen so private text doesn't appear. In System Notifications, turn off Show Previews or Show Notification content so messages appear as new message only. Then disable banners and lock screen previews if you want complete privacy in public. Also open WhatsApp, go to Settings Notifications and switch Show Preview off. This ensures the app-level setting matches the system. Once done. To finish, remove the unread count badge so the home screen icon doesn't call attention to new messages. In System or Launcher settings, turn off app icon badges for WhatsApp. Some launchers offer per-app badge toggles. If you want stronger suppression, use Do Not Disturb or Notification Summary features. Make sure to restart the phone if changes don't take effect immediately. If problems persist, clear WhatsApp cache or reapply the settings. That usually resolves lingering display issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.